Introduction to environment. We in our day-to-day life often use the word environment, which simply means our surrounding. The word environment is derived from the French word environ, which means to encircle or surround. Our environment consists mainly of two components, namely, number one, the biotic component, or we can say the living component, which includes all the living beings like animals, plants, human beings and microorganisms. And number two, the abiotic component, or we can say the non-living component, which mainly includes the air, water and land. Every single living organism is totally dependent on the environment to fulfill their basic needs. A healthy environment is very much important for the well-being of all the organisms. Since the environment consists of both biotic and abiotic components, therefore, the environment is broadly divided into four segments, namely atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Now let us discuss these segments. So firstly we have atmosphere. Atmosphere is defined as the blanket of gases surrounding the earth. The presence of this unique atmosphere of the earth is the main reason why life is present on it. It also plays a key role in maintaining the heat balance of the earth. Atmosphere is a mixture of several gases. Let us know the composition of atmosphere. Number 1. Major components: nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen 78.09% and oxygen 20.94%. Number 2. Minor components: argon and carbon dioxide. Argon 0.934% and carbon dioxide 0.0325%. And number 3. Trace gases: neon, helium, hydrogen, ozone, ammonia, methane, water vapor, krypton, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, etc. Again, atmosphere is broadly classified into four main regions. Name of the regions are troposphere. Its altitude range in kilometer is 0 to 11. Next is stratosphere. Its altitude range in kilometer is 11 to 50. Mesosphere. Its altitude range in kilometer is 50 to 85. And thermosphere. Its altitude range in kilometer is 85 to 500. We know that the ozone layer present in the stratosphere plays a very important role. It acts as a protective shield for the entire living being by absorbing the harmful and cancer-causing ultraviolet rays of the sun. Next, we will discuss about hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the total amount of water which is present either on the surface. All the water resources such as oceans, seas, lakes, glacier, polar ice caps, groundwater together constitute the hydrosphere. We can classify the composition of hydrosphere in following. Percentage of total land on earth equals to 29%. Percentage of total water on earth is equals to 71%. Percentage of water unfit for drinking, that is salty or marine water, is equals to 97%. Percentage of water fit for drinking, that is fresh water, is equals to 3%. Again, percentage of fresh water present in polar ice caps and glaciers is equals to 79%. Next, percentage of fresh water present under the ground is equals to 20%. And the percentage of fresh water easily available in rivers, lakes and streams is equals to 1%. Now let us define what is lithosphere. The lithosphere is the solid outer part of the earth consisting of minerals and soil. And lastly we have biosphere. Biosphere is the layer on earth which supports life. This layer extends to about 6 to 8 kilometers into the atmosphere and as much as 8 to 10 kilometers in the depth of the ocean. Hoping that this video is helpful to know much about environment. So if you liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get everyday updates from our channel.